Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you? In this video, we'd like to share the work that we finished in the Ford Focus XR5 Turbo and generation 2004 and 2011, which this one is 2009. So already finished and replacing the 9-inch premium setup of the wireless Apple CarPlay you see on the screen here, and wireless Android Auto, which will be soon on another video. So it's already been connected and everything beautiful, and steering wheel controls working very nice as well, which actually has volume, voice and mode, and also we assign that mode button now for the phone answering button, so it can answer the phone call easily on the steering wheel now with this new system here, which is very simple and very convenient. And the camera is the very best one, which I already mentioned in the other video, how to install the camera. So if you want to know how to install the camera in this camera model, please look at another video we have. And if you want to know how to remove the glow box in this car as well, just look at another video we have. And here have look this one. This is the camera, Full HD, anti-glare, super night vision, super wide angle, and night vision, reverse camera, which is fit perfectly on the back of the tailgate. So have a look here. We have the camera fit beautifully like this. It looks exactly like a block made from the car before, which actually like the factory camera made. There's absolutely no gap, 0% gap on the camera fitment to the back of the car. So it's the most beautiful one. And if we actually put it down here, you can see that the camera right down on the rear end, and this is the bumper, and that's far end at the far side, and everything is super clear because it's full HD level. So that's so easy for the navigation and the reverse camera at this point, and the entertainment. And also I would like to confirm that the sound processor amplifier inside the head now makes the sound in this car amazing, much better than the factory unit before, and the sound now sounds really like a premium setup already. So everything is ready and will be collected by the owner soon after this. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.